I'm going to do another outfit of the day that I wore to work, and basically just this plain black tee that I got from Old Navy, and I paired it with a dark blue skirt that I got from H&M with a black belt that I got from Forever 21. This ring is also from Forever 21. And moving down to my tights, I don't know if you can see, but they're cheetah print that I got from Target. And then last, I have these like suede boots that I also got from Forever 21. And also I got this bracelet from Burlington, I want to say from Burlington. So, and that's my outfit for the day. See you guys later. Bye.